Hello, it's Paul here. I'm going to introduce you today to Zoho CRM sign up for whatever version of the CRM you want to sign up for, which also includes my free training and any Zoho CRM training I'm going to do in the future. You've come to this page or you're watching on YouTube. Look for the link in the video on YouTube that will get to you this page. It will probably be zsignup.com/CRM. But it brings you to my training site, and you're watching this video. You've just clicked video introduction start here. So what we've got is I've got a really mini training course showing you how to sign up for Zoho CRM, how to tag me as your partner so that I get a little bit of commission if you're paying for Zoho CRM, or if you're not, you tag me as a partner, and it just shows Zoho that I'm helping a lot of their customers with training. I'll also show you how to access your free training. You automatically get any CRM training that I've created inside the bundle, and I'm going to show you exactly how to access that training. So we're going to get your free training, and we're going to show you exactly how to use Zoho CRM, sign up for Zoho CRM, and everything that comes with that, right? So if you click this begin trial and training here, 100% free. You're not going to ask for a credit card. You will not be putting any money down or anything today, right? So begin trial. You're going to go to a sign up page, which is for my training platform. So this is how you're going to appear on my platform. So sign in with your name. I'll just put it in the time. Put in your email address. Put in a password. Verify it. Now the next button here says I agree to receive instructional and promotional emails. It's 100% up to you if you don't click that. And I understand people don't like getting spam emails or email newsletters. I will not send you email newsletters. What I'm going to send you is updates on the training courses, if there's any new lessons, or if there's any updates with Zoho, right? That's all. But if you write a comment, and you'll see the box in a minute, if you write a comment on any lesson and I reply to you and you haven't ticked this, you're simply not going to get the email because you basically said, I don't want to receive emails. So I would say tick that just so that you get an email from comments alone. Agree to Teachable's terms of use and privacy and mine. If you click, you'll be able to see them and sign up, right? So this is signing you up for my training course, and it's going to take you to a place where we're going to talk about signing up for Zoho. So the first lesson here is how to sign up for Zoho. There's going to be another video here. I should have put a video in just to show you, but there will be a video you can play where I walk you through step by step signing up for Zoho CRM, whichever version you want to use, and then, as I say, tagging me as your Zoho partner. The second lesson here is going to show you that you've automatically been enrolled in all my Zoho courses. So if you click here, which is my courses, this is your my courses page. So if you click it, it's going to show that you're already enrolled in the Zoho CRM free training, free version, and a much deeper CRM. Oh no, that's what we're on already. This one, a much deeper and a lot more information, a lot more lessons, right? So you're already in there. You can click here or here to get to that. And if you want to sign up for any other free courses that I offer, they're all listed under this link here, right? So you've got everything you need to know here about training lessons, your courses, and other courses. Again, you can leave a comment if you've got any issues. And because the commenting system is pretty basic within Teachable, for instance, I can't share a link or a video in there to show you. I've created a forum that's dedicated for Zoho. So if you click here, you can sign up for the forum. Quick sign up page. It is a separate sort of website. It's a separate subdomain to my training because it's a full standalone forum. And if you don't want to sign up straight away, you can click here to see forum discussions. And you're going to be able to see here is the Zoho CRM category. All these different topics, people creating questions. People, if they've got questions, will ask in here. And you just sign up and click new topic. So that's how you access the forum. Here's how you access the training. And the first thing we're going to do is sign up for Zoho CRM, and I will put a video right there for you.